Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Transparent Labs pre-workout is probably one of the most sought-after supplements in the fitness community, and for good reason. It's designed to deliver a powerful surge of energy, enhance focus, and improve endurance, helping you push through your toughest workouts and achieve your fitness goals. If you're looking to elevate your training sessions and unlock your full potential, this pre-workout might just be the game changer you need to experience unparalleled performance and see significant results. Number 5. PROSUPPS Mr. Hyde Signature Pre-Workout. Are you ready to elevate your workout? This powerful formula is designed to help you push your limits and achieve peak performance. Experience a surge of clean energy to power through your toughest training sessions. It's the perfect boost to get you started and keep you going. Go the extra mile with improved endurance. This supplement helps you maintain intensity and stamina, so you can perform at your best for longer. Formulated with essential ingredients like creatine and beta-alanine, it supports your fitness goals. Caffeine provides the focus and drive you need. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting, this is suitable for men and women. It's your partner in achieving a cleaner, more effective fitness journey. Enjoy the delicious blue raz flavor with every serving. This tub contains 30 servings, providing ample supply for your training needs. What we like. This pre-workout is designed for those who crave an intense energy boost. Its powerful blend delivers sustained energy and sharp focus throughout your workout. If you're looking for a high-stimulant option to push your limits, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is amazing. I have been using it for a while now and it has helped me push through my workouts. I love the taste of this pre-workout. It is not too sweet and it mixes well with water. The energy boost I get from this pre-workout is incredible. I feel focused and motivated throughout my entire workout. Number 4. Legion Pulse Pre-Workout Supplement. Elevate your workout with Legion Pulse. Experience a powerful boost to conquer your fitness goals. Fuel your body with all natural ingredients. This pre-workout drink is designed to enhance your energy levels without artificial sweeteners. Support improved blood flow and muscle pumps. It contains key ingredients to help you achieve peak performance. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced energy and focus without creatine. This formula is perfect for those seeking an alternative. Savor the refreshing taste of fruit punch. It's naturally sweetened for a delicious and effective pre-workout experience. Formulated with beta-alanine, citrulline, and alpha-GPC. These components work together to optimize your training sessions. What we like. Experience a clean, all-natural energy boost without the jitters or crash. This formula is perfect for those who prefer to avoid creatine or artificial ingredients. If you're seeking sustained energy and enhanced performance with natural components, consider this option. What people say. One of the standout features of this pre-workout is its all-natural formula. It is creatine-free and does not contain any artificial sweeteners or additives. The energy boost from Legion Pulse is remarkable. Unlike other pre-workouts that rely on excessive caffeine, this supplement utilizes natural sources of energy, such as caffeine from green tea extract and theacrine. This provides me with a sustained and smooth energy lift, helping me power through even the most intense workouts without the dreaded crash afterward. The transparency of the product's label is commendable. Legion provides full disclosure of all ingredients and their dosages, allowing me to make an informed decision about what I'm putting into my body. Number 3. Jacked Factory NITROSURGE Shred Pre-Workout. Are you ready to elevate your workout? This powerful supplement is designed to help you push your limits and achieve more. Experience an instant surge of energy and strength that will transform your training sessions. Feel the difference from the very first use. Achieve laser-like focus to stay locked in on your goals. Eliminate distractions and maximize every moment of your workout. Get ready for incredible muscle pumps that signify effective training. This formula is engineered to enhance your physique's appearance. It acts as a nitric oxide booster, supporting better blood flow and nutrient delivery to your muscles. This is key for optimal performance. Enjoy the refreshing taste of fruit punch with every serving. It's a delicious way to fuel your fitness journey. What we like. Achieve powerful pumps and instant strength gains with this nitric oxide booster. It's formulated to enhance focus and provide a significant energy surge. If you're aiming for maximum muscle pumps and improved strength, this pre-workout is an excellent choice. What people say. The flavor is great and it mixes well. I have been using this for a while and I am very happy with the results. It gives me a good energy boost without the jitters. Number 2. Sports Research Micronized Creatine Monohydrate. Ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? Our advanced formula is designed to help you achieve your goals. Support your muscle growth and development. This supplement aids in building lean muscle mass effectively. Experience a noticeable boost in your physical capabilities. Improve your strength and overall athletic performance with consistent use. Don't let soreness slow you down. It helps to support your body's recovery process after intense workouts. Each serving provides 5 grams of pure, micronized creatine monohydrate. This ensures maximum absorption and effectiveness. With 17.64 ounces per container, you have a long-lasting supply to support your training regimen. What we like. This product offers pure micronized creatine monohydrate for optimal absorption. It's designed to support lean muscle gain, improve strength, and aid in workout recovery. If your primary goal is to build muscle and enhance overall performance, this is a foundational supplement to consider. What people say. The powder mixes easily into water or a shake with no clumping or odd taste, which makes it simple to take daily. It's also nice that it's unflavored, so I can add it to anything without changing the flavor. It dissolves well, has no taste, and I noticed improved strength and recovery during my workouts. I appreciate that it's micronized and made with clean ingredients. It mixes effortlessly, no clumps, no taste, just solid performance results after a couple months of use. It's micronized for better absorption and certified for quality, making it easy to trust and even easier to integrate into daily routines. After regular use, strength, recovery, and workout endurance noticeably improved. Number 1. PROSUPPS Dr. Jekyll Signature V2 Pre-Workout. Introducing the PROSUPPS Dr. Jekyll Signature V2. This powerful formula is designed to help you push your limits during every workout. Experience enhanced focus and sustained endurance without the jitters. It's your perfect partner for intense training sessions. Enjoy the benefits of a potent pre-workout without any caffeine. This means no crash, just pure performance. With added creatine, this supplement supports muscle strength and recovery. Get ready to see and feel the difference. Fuel your body with the refreshing taste of blueberry lemonade. Each container provides 30 servings of pure workout fuel. Elevate your gym and fitness routine with this advanced pre-workout. It's time to achieve your goals. What we like. Enjoy enhanced focus and endurance without any stimulants or caffeine. This formula is ideal for late-day workouts or for individuals sensitive to stimulants. If you need to improve your workout performance and mental clarity without the buzz, this stim-free option is perfect. What people say. The flavor is amazing, and it mixes very well. I love the ingredients and the fact that it's transparent about what's in it. Gives me a great pump and sustained energy throughout my workout without jitters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.